Hello folks. Do you ever wonder why people sometimes plead no contest instead of guilty? And did you wonder if there was any real difference between pleading guilty and no contest? Watch this video and I'll explain it to you, and I'll tell you what the very tiny little difference is. My name is Andrew Williams. I'm a board certified practicing criminal defense attorney in the Houston, Texas area. I have handled hundreds of cases with people charged from everything from speeding tickets to capital murder. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what the difference is between pleading guilty and pleading no contest. In a criminal case, there's no real difference between pleading guilty and no contest. If you plead guilty to a charge, you are found guilty and you have a final conviction on your record. If you plead no contest to a charge, you are found guilty and you have a final conviction on your record. A final conviction, at least in Texas, stays on your record forever and will never go away. The only real difference you would see in pleading no contest as opposed to guilty is in the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure 27.02. In that, it says if you plead no contest, you cannot have that plea of no contest used against you later on in a civil proceeding. Whereas if you plead guilty, that guilty plea can be used against you later on as an admission of liability. Now, a quick example would be if you were involved in an accident and you got a speeding ticket arising from that accident, and you went to court and you pled guilty to the speeding ticket. In other words, you pled guilty to speeding. If you get sued by the other party for damages because of the accident, that plea of guilt can be used against you later in the civil court as an admission of liability. However, if you were to plead no contest to the speeding ticket, you would still be found guilty, just like if you were pleading guilty, and you would have a conviction on your record for speeding. But because you pled no contest, that plea of no contest could not be used against you later on in a civil case for damages arising out of that accident. So that's the only real benefit between pleading guilty and pleading no contest. As I said earlier, for criminal purposes, it really doesn't matter if you plead no contest or guilty. It's still a conviction. It can still be used against you. And in some cases, if you were to get in trouble again for something, and that case came up, that prior case that you had a conviction for, they could use that prior conviction to enhance your punishment in the new case that you got tried for or you were accused of. And that could make your punishment worse. Now, the court in the new case is not going to go back and look around and see, well, you know, this person pled guilty instead of no contest or anything like that. The court will only look to see if you have a conviction, and that's it. The judges don't care if you plead guilty or plead no contest. You're still convicted. All right, so just in summary, pleading no contest will help you in a civil case later on down the line, and they cannot use that against you as an admission of liability. Whereas a plea of guilty could be used against you as an admission of liability in a civil case, not in a criminal case. Now, I hope that helped you understand a little bit better about the difference between pleading guilty and pleading no contest. My name is Andrew Williams. I am creating these videos to help you understand some basic criminal concepts. You can find out more information on my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com. There you will find an assortment of blogs and videos regarding just basic criminal concepts that might help you understand criminal issues that might arise in your life or someone else's life that you might want to help out. Anyway, I hope this helped you out a little bit. Hope you understand a little bit better about pleading guilty and pleading no contest. And like I said, I'll be creating more videos, and you can look for them on my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com. Thank you very much.